What's up, nerds? This is Mr. Storm, and today we're going to talk about internet culture. Um, this is a fun one. Oh, no, sorry, I'm getting excited. This is a fun assignment. You're going to learn about all kinds of things that you've heard talked about in the news. You're going to learn about a lot of things online that maybe you are too ashamed to admit you don't know what it is, but you don't want to ask. Today, you're going to learn about that kind of stuff. So, what I want you to do is read these links. So, what is fake news? That's a good one. That's a good one. What's trolling? What is a meme? What is WikiLeaks? What's Reddit? What's clickbait? Okay, these are all important internet topics, internet subjects. Okay, what other class do you get to do this, by the way? Just really think about it. What other class lets you do this? None. All right, cool. You picked a good one. So you're going to read about these topics, and then the assignment is going to task you with creating an image macro, or otherwise commonly referred to as a meme. Okay? Basically this. A picture with some text, some sans serif font text placed over a picture that usually presents some kind of funny sentiment. Usually it's a joke, but depending on the kind of image you use or which specific image you use, there's usually an understanding of what the theme of the joke is going to be, right? And I'm going to make everything uncool just by explaining it in detail. Specifically, this meme right here, this is Morpheus from The Matrix, right? And the theme of this is you're making statements to people that are specifically supposed to blow their minds, right? Like, it comes from a line in The Matrix, where Morpheus says, "What if I told you?" And then, he says this really crazy, mind-blowing thing, right? So this is one that I made. What if I told you if you turn in all your assignments, you'll pass all your classes? I know it's not really that funny, but this is my point. You're going to get the opportunity to top me, right? Make one better. So what you're going to do is you're going to follow this link. So this link will take you to a website where you can make your own memes. And there are tons of popular meme templates already on here. Things like, Fry from Futurama. Not sure if, whatever. There's, Captain Picard from Star Trek. There's all kinds of memes, right? And you can, if you're not familiar with these, that's fine. Confession bear, whatever. Sudden realization Clarence, or sudden clarity Clarence, I think this one's called. But there's all kinds of ones out here, right? Scumbag Steve. But pick a meme that you're familiar with, or a theme of a meme that you're familiar with, and make a new meme. And it doesn't have to be something, it doesn't have to apply to school. One simply does not walk into Mordor. It doesn't have to apply to school, but it does have to be school appropriate. I just want you to make a meme just because it's fun, right? Try to not make it super offensive. Obviously, offensive humor is great. It's totally fine if that's your style, but this is a school assignment, so do try to keep it roughly PG-13, right, or lower. Make sure it's school appropriate. The temptation gets to be the temptation for some people is hard to it's hard to fight when it comes to making jokes, but keep them pretty PG-13. The other thing is you will also be tempted to steal someone else's idea. There are billions at this point, billions of memes out there on the internet. And I'm sure the less interested among you are just going to go ahead and do a quick Google search for funny meme, grab the first one you see and upload it as if it's your own work. Don't do that, because I will reverse Google image search everything that you turn in. So I will be able to see if it exists anywhere else on the internet. And if it does, then it probably means you plagiarized it. So let's not risk it. So basically the way it works is you just click the theme you want, and then down here you just write in what you want to say, not sure if, right? It pops in there. cool teacher or just pretending. Oh, right. So you type in whatever you want. You can change the size and stuff so it, because that's a little bit much, but you type in whatever you want, and then whenever you're done, it doesn't really look too obvious how you download it. You can upload it to Imager, but we don't really want to do that. What you can do though is you just right click and save image as, and that'll allow you to save it as a PNG image on your computer. So, put it in your pictures folder or put it on your desktop. That's probably the easiest. You just put it on your desktop and, save it as, and then whenever you are done, you'll be able to see it right there, and you'll be able to open it just like any image, and it's your new original meme, okay? And you just upload that to Google Classroom. Now, you can make as many of these as you want. I highly encourage you make as many of these as you want. But this is a tool that exists. So when you're sharing things on social media and you have a funny joke and you want to make a meme, this is a website you can use. There are plenty of them out there, but this is one that's pretty easy to use. So make a meme, make it funny, make it school appropriate, make as many as you want, and then you are free to move on to the next lesson. Thanks for paying attention. And if you have any questions, please come talk to me, and I will see you next time.